Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install GeoMeasure's Survey Crew. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I have already put my install file on the tablet, and if you want to know how to connect your tablet to your computer, I'll just link to a video in the top right corner. But once I have my file on my tablet, what I'm going to do is I'm going to swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open up my app tray, and I'm going to want to find my Files app on my Android data collector. Now, in my case, it's aptly named Files and looks like a regular file explorer. And when I open that up, you're going to want to navigate to the location you saved this file. Now, I saved mine on the top level location of my file explorer, so it's really easy to navigate here. And what I'm going to need to do to install it is simply double click it to open the installer. Now, depending on your data collector, you may get a prompt asking you if you are sure you want to install it, as it's going to try to grab your location services and that kind of thing, which as we are using a GPS app, that makes sense. So what you're going to want to do is click on continue. And then once it gets close to finishing the install, it may also ask you if you are, again, 100% sure that you want to install this app, as it's from an unknown source. So what you're going to do in this case is you're going to click on more details to expand that field, and there should be an option for install. Anyway, you'll select that option, at which point it will install your software and you're ready to open it up. Now, if you want to find your app after you've installed it, what you're going to do is, again, swipe up from the bottom of the screen here, and you can see I have a lovely Survey Crew logo indicating that my app was successfully installed and I'm ready to begin surveying. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you install GeoMeasure Survey Crew on your Android data collector. And if you have a moment, I please ask you to hit that subscribe button. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204. Feel free to shoot me an email at nolan@bench-mark.ca or visit us online at bench-mark.ca.